I used to run at people like they were prophets, like they had the blueprint to a life they never lived, like they had the language for wounds they never witnessed. I used to hand my heart to hands that weren't holy, ask for clarity from voices that were confused themselves, seek comfort from people who only loved the version of me that didn't make them uncomfortable. But let me tell you something, people only know the version of you they met on the day they met you. They don't know the child you were, the storms you survived, the nights you cried into your pillow so quietly you learned how to silence your own suffering. They don't know the prayers you whispered in the dark when you didn't even have the strength to say amen. They don't know the battles you fought in silence because you didn't want to burden anybody with the weight of your truth. And yet, we run to them. We run to them like they're healers, like they're architects, like they're ordained to speak on a soul they've never studied. Stop running to people who don't even know the real you. They know your story, he knows your soul. People know the chapter you let them read. God knows the whole book, the pages you hid, the pages you burned, the pages you begged him to rewrite with mercy. People know your habits, God knows your heart. People know your mistakes, God knows your mission.